So we are handling products with high complexity, high turnover, and high value. Let's say high complexity. We are handling multi-product, which is used to be a challenging point for cross-border seller because the logistic fee is relatively higher and the damage rate is higher during the shipment process. So we can help the seller store the product in local warehouse and then to ship out locally. High value products, right? We will customize a warehouse or a space tailored to high value goods with a higher security and higher compliance to make sure the product is in a safer place. For us to handle multiple million billions of SKU, we are able to cope it with our in-house WMS system. So it's not an issue for us. We engage with one of the sellers who is doing fashion items. So before we engage, seller always can encounter problems like overcapacity of warehouse and not able to ship out their orders on time. In 6 months time, we are helping the seller to increase their stock turnover for 40%, and also we make sure their daily order is about able to ship out on time daily. We are not only focusing on major markets in the city, such as KL and Selangor, we also have warehouses in East Malaysia, KK. So we are helping the seller to pay even closer to the consumers. Hi everyone, my name is Tan. We are running an e-commerce fulfillment center called Yuan Cang. Yuan Cang has been in this market for almost 5 years now. Yuan Cang is a leading e-commerce solution provider in Southeast Asia. We are emphasizing on e-commerce fulfillment. We are focusing and specializing in order fulfillment. So we are helping e-commerce sellers to pick and pack their orders, to ship out on time, and then to help them restore their products at the most minimal cost.